Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So Cloud Code is a powerful tool, but when you are working on complex projects, your main conversation can get flooded with logs, search results, and file content you will never reference again. That's where subagents come in. According to the official Claude code docs, subagents are specialized AI assistants that handle specific tasks in their own context window. They are perfect for side tasks that would clutter your main conversation. Each sub-agent runs independently with its own system prompt, tools, and permissions. Sub-agents help you preserve context by keeping exploration and implementation out of your main conversation, enforce constraints by limiting what tools they can use, and control cost by routing tasks to faster models like Haiku. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to actually set them up, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you have to understand the built-in sub-agents. Cloud Code at this point comes with built-in sub-agents that Cloud uses automatically when appropriate. We have Explore, a fast read-only agent optimized for searching and analyzing code bases. You can use Haiku for speed and low cost, Plan for planning and high-level architecture decisions, the general purpose for tasks that don't fit the other categories at all. Anyway, we also have this, as you see, many options: Sonnet, Haiku, Opus, whatsoever. We have more models: Opus 4.7, 4.6, 3. Anyway, you can create a sub-agent using agent. The easiest way is to create your sub-agent is using the /agent whatsoever. Let's tap on enter and see what's going on. Then switch to the library tab and select create new agent, choose a scope, personal agent for projects or project for the current repo. Select the generate with Claude and describe what you want. The tool generates the identifier description and system prompt for you. And that's basically the whole idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.